To troubleshoot Uniswap transaction errors, start by understanding the basics of the Uniswap protocol and the common types of errors that can occur. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange that enables users to trade cryptocurrencies in a trustless manner. However, like any other complex system, it can be prone to errors. First, identify the type of error you are experiencing. Common errors include failed transactions, stuck transactions, and high gas fees. Failed transactions can occur due to insufficient liquidity, incorrect gas prices, or network congestion. Stuck transactions can happen when a transaction is not confirmed by the network, often due to low gas prices or high network activity. Next, check the Ethereum blockchain status to see if there are any ongoing issues that could be affecting your transactions. You can use tools like Etherscan or ETH to monitor the network congestion and gas prices. If the network is congested, it may be best to wait until the congestion clears or to adjust your gas prices accordingly. Then, review your transaction history to see if there are any patterns or common factors that could be contributing to the errors. Check your wallet balance to ensure you have sufficient funds to cover the transaction amount and gas fees. Also, verify that you are using the correct wallet address and that your wallet is properly connected to the Uniswap interface. If you are experiencing high gas fees, consider adjusting your gas price or using a gas price estimation tool to optimize your transaction costs. You can also try splitting your transaction into smaller amounts or using a different wallet or interface that offers more competitive gas prices. Finally, if none of the above steps resolve the issue, consider reaching out to the Uniswap community or support team for further assistance. They can provide more detailed guidance and help you troubleshoot the issue. By following these steps and staying informed about the latest developments and best practices, you can effectively troubleshoot Uniswap transaction errors and ensure a smooth trading experience.